I have dark circles around my eyes. Y'all, I don't have the best skin genes. I'm only human. What can I do? Hey fam, welcome back to another video on IbbyInspired. If you are new, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. So today it is Sunday, and Sundays around here means taking care of my pitted acne scars. So you guys may see a difference in my skin, and that is because within the last few weeks I have found some really great products for pitted acne scarred skin. My pitted acne scars are looking so much better. I am so excited. So along with some of my existing skincare products and some of my new skincare products, I really formulated a really good, nice skincare routine that's going to help me. And obviously your girl does not gatekeep, so I thought I would share what I am currently using so you guys can clear your pitted acne scars too. So first things first, as you guys know, when it comes to pitted acne scars, that can bring a lot of hyperpigmentation or redness that is so stubborn to get rid of. So I have been using a kojic acid soap bar. The one that I use specifically is from Tones by Coco. Now along with this bar, I also use the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser from Neutrogena. So I use this cleanser first and then I use the kojic acid bar. Be very careful though where you get your kojic acid bars. I've heard that some formulas can be really bad for your skin or they are unauthentic. This one by Tones by Coco is amazing. My skin has really toned itself out. The skin has been getting brighter. Next things next, I have mentioned this in many of my skincare videos, the Banished micro needling device. Y'all, this device is going to be so helpful. If there's anything that you are going to purchase in today's video, I definitely recommend this Banished microneedling device. And the reason why is because this device is going to be the reason why your skin gets better, why those pitted acne scars are going to heal. And I am trying to be more consistent with using this because I noticed that when I am consistent, I get faster and better results. Please make sure you are consistent if you want to see good, timely results. Go ahead and check out this device on their website. You can use the code IBBY, IBBY, for $5 off your purchase. Another thing that I love about this device is that there are just so many benefits to this. It also helps with any fine lines and wrinkles that you may have on your skin. And you guys, there are no wrinkles on my forehead. Do you guys see when I lift my forehead? You can't see any lines. When I started using the Banished device, I used to use it a lot on my forehead for that reason, and I truly believe that the Banished device has been the reason for why I don't get a lot of wrinkles on my forehead. So with clean hands, we are going to use another new product. This is also from Tones by Coco. This is the vitamin C serum. So I literally just take this vitamin C serum, I put it inside my pitted acne scars, pat it in. So I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds to a minute to put on my next skincare. I really want this vitamin C to work and to dry because I don't want that vitamin C in my next skincare product to mix. Next things next, another product from Tones by Coco. This is the brightening moisturizer. Y'all, I'm telling you, this brand is so good. So I'm so happy that I discovered this skincare line. Y'all, it's been one of the only brands that have actually catered to my skin the way that I need it to. Now, don't get me wrong, this skincare brand is on the pricey side, but let's not forget the faux, y'all. Let's not forget that there's Afterpay, there's Klarna. There are ways that you can break down your payments so that you're not paying everything all at once, because you know we all under a budget here. Holiday time is coming, we gotta save, We got things to do. Now for the next product, this is not necessarily for pitted acne scarred skin, but I have noticed that this product has helped change the appearance of my look as a whole. This is the Tones by Coco Dark Circle Corrector. I have dark circles around my eyes. Y'all, I don't have the best skin genes. I'm only human. What can I do? I try to help myself be better, look better. As my dark eye under circles have been brightening up, it takes the attention away from my pitted acne scars, if that makes sense. Like, dark circles and pitted acne scars just don't look good as a whole. It's kind of like a balance. I have nice bright under eyes, so my pitted acne scars don't look as bad. Something that I won't be using necessarily today, but I do want to let you know that it has been helping like so much. And I don't want to sound basic, but I'm going to tell you what's been working and helping me is this Advanced Snell 92 all-in-one cream, which is also known as the Snell Mucin cream that everybody talks about. If you're on TikTok, you already know. With the kojic acid, my skin has been a little bit more dry than what I am normally used to. So this Snell Mucin has really been so helpful. This also has been helping with the texture of my skin so well. So I use this after everything. I don't want to use it today because I really want all of my other creams to really work into my skin because we micro needled, but on a regular day I will use this. It's still pretty bright outside. Even though I am inside, sunlight is still coming through my windows, so I am going to use a sunscreen. My favorite go-tos are the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. I have been using the CeraVe Hydrating Sheer Sunscreen. It says that it doesn't leave a cast, but it really does leave a cast. You have to keep rubbing it down. So I'm sticking to my Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen because it's nice, it's matte, it does its job, it doesn't leave a cast at all. So this is my Sunday skincare fam. I'm telling you guys, woo, my skin has been looking so good. I have a goal for the end of 2024, and that is to get rid of all of these pitted acne scars. I'm talking about the hyperpigmentation, the texture, everything. So that is the goal. I'm gonna stay consistent because y'all know, like, I got a consistency issue. That's my problem. So the goal is to stay consistent. Thank you so much for watching, fam. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.